Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhilasha Singh and today we will be doing this winged Arabic brown smoky eye. Arabic eyes are always considered to be deep black, but today this is a variation that I created for you. This is a CoverGirl concealer which I will be using to conceal my eyelids. This always creates an even base for your makeup application, and for Arabic eyes or any smoky eye we need a lighter base so that the dark black color or brown color can reflect better. Let's blend it out with a beauty blender and spread it evenly all over the eyelids. Now we will take our Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in shade medium to set the liquid concealer that we placed on our eyelid, and we will pat it down so it does not form any creases while we apply the eyeshadow. Now we take the Huda setting powder in banana bread to bake under our eyes. Now this I primarily do is because I don't want any fallouts from my eyeshadows, and when we do a smoky eyes there is definitely fallout, guys, trust me. This is a brown eye pencil with a little shimmer by MAC in Teddy. We're going to place it all over our eyelid and make it an even base. We will not be crossing our crease line though. It's just on the eyelid. Very carefully I take the crease line and I create that shape right there. And now I'm filling it in with the pencil. I like creating two dots on either side while looking in the mirror. This gives me the right balance of both the winged eyeliners. A lot of people struggle to get clean and balanced eyeliners, winged eyeliners on both the eyes. This dot method will actually help you create one very in short time. Very slowly and steadily I keep filling it up, but I'm not crossing the crease line, if you can see that. I have joined my wings and now I'm just increasing the intensity by going over and over again with that eye pencil. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and my eyeshadow palette by Urban Decay in Born to Run. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's one of the best ones out there. I'm going to take this color right here in Buff. And now we have to just blend all the lines into each other. A smoky look is basically no hard lines. So anything that you see is sharp needs to be blended out. While we are blending, guys, we have to be sure of lifting it up towards the wing. And the same process is to be followed for both the eyes. Now that we've blended both eyes, I'll take my eye pencil in Estee Lauder in color ONYX. It is just a jet black eye pencil. And now I'm going to start building my shade. I'm placing this color very close to my lash line. There has to be no gap between your lash line, your eyelashes and the pencil and your eyelid. You see that? Taking my eyeshadow palette again from Urban Decay, the same eyeshadow palette, and this color in Punk, we will use another blending brush and apply that color and smudge out the line that we just created with the black color. So because I said we are doing a brown smoky, we are working only with the brown families. So to even smudge this black pencil, I'm not taking a black powder. I'm just smudging it out with a brown, a deep maroonish brown color. You see that? And you just keep blending it into the eye shadow. Once we are done blending the color Punk, now we're going to lift it up and keep following that winged eyeliner. and join all the gaps that you can see. This is the other side of the blending brush. It's a dual blending brush, and this is the clean blender. I keep turning and twisting and keep adding the intensity as much as required, but guys, I'm not crossing the crease line. Once I have blended it by eyeshadow, I'm going to take the black pencil again. This is the same Estee Lauder pencil. We are building the color in a smoky eye. Blending and building the color is the only way you get the right amount of depth for the makeup. This is a Sigma palette in Nightlife, and now I take the black eyeshadow and just place it on top of the pencil that we just applied. Like I keep saying, blend, blend, blend. A smoky eye is the perfection of how good you can blend. Again, I'm taking it into the wings and sharpening those wings, but I have not crossed the crease line yet. Do you see how the intensity has grown from what eye pencil we started, which acted as a base, and now we're just blending the eyeshadows. Here is the blending brush again that we've taken earlier, and I'm just softening all the lines that I can see. The final time that I'm going to take the black and sharpen my wings out. We can go ahead and fill the waterline now. I loved creating this look. Now we'll take a clean, sharp brush to just pull those wings slightly out. Again, the black eyeshadow from the Sigma palette in Nightlife, and I'm intensifying the area around the eyelid. And slowly I will take the wings and start pulling them slightly out. Now I'm just going to join my winged eyeliners to a lower lash line and smudge out the kohl that we had placed there. You see how the intensity is increasing, and you keep blending out any sharp lines that you see. That blending brush is your best friend when you do a smoky eye. I'm going to take my eye pen by Too Faced and join the inner corners of my eyes. You see that? This is a very important step for this eye makeup to look sharp. Now comes the lashes, guys. Lashes are so crucial in these kind of eye makeups. They make or break a look. This right here, guys, is one of the finishing touches. I'm going to take my pen, that's by Too Faced, and sharpen those edges of the winged eyeliner. Your hands have to be very stable for this, and then we're going to create that perfect wing. Let's blend it out so it does not look too sharp. Slightly smudging it with the black eyeshadow that we had. And now we're going to pull it up slightly to have a shadow effect. There we have the most beautiful blended smoky eye. And now I'm going to finish this look with these amazing eyelashes. No winged eyeliner, smoky eye, or any eye makeup is complete without eyelashes. Let's go ahead and take the lightest color, and right there I'm going to apply it under my eyebrow to highlight it. You see the blend, guys. That is what we were trying to create. The last step is going to be taking the eye pencil in black and covering any of those spaces that you can see on your upper eyelid. Very lightly and slowly we will cover that up as well. Here is the final look, guys. In a smoky eye, blend, blend, blend should be your mantra. I hope you enjoyed this session with me. Until the next video, please be safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.